Hello friends, welcome back to my channel if you're returning. Welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel. I'm a part-time reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. Today I have for you a 90-day update on the Helpsy Source J. Crew and Madewell tops, skirts, and shorts box. So if you want to see if I actually made a profit on this box, definitely stick around. So I just rewatched my initial unboxing video, and this was a rough one. This was the box, and I will link the original video down below. It was 40 pieces of new with tag, new without tag. They advertise shirts, tops, skirts, and shorts. And I ended up having to reach out to them because there was a lot of items in the box that were either damaged or just unsellable, and I was not too happy with the fact that it was a lot of basics too. So I did end up emailing them. They gave me $120 off the box. So we are basing this 90-day update on the cost of the box minus that initial $120. And I want to show you guys if I actually made money after they had refunded me a partial refund on the box. So if you like reseller content, make sure you're subscribed. I am wildly behind on my 90-day updates, but they are coming this week and next, friends. It's basically all I'm doing for a couple weeks here is to get you guys updated on these boxes that I did back in November and December. So definitely stay tuned for that. Drop me a like if you find this helpful, and I'm going to get right into it. So if you've been watching my channel, I will do an unboxing and then 90 days later come back and let you guys know if I made a profit. I'll show you what sold and what I have left. And then ultimately, if I had the chance to buy another box, would I buy another box if, I could get the same inventory again? So I'll show you first what sold, and then I'll show you what I still have left, and then I'll give you my final verdict at the end. So this was a 40-piece box. I ended up listing 29 of the 40 items, and my average cost of goods after the refund was $6.94 per item. I have sold 20 items, and I have 9 items left. So that's kind of where we're at with things. There were 2 items that I sold on Whatnot. I did a birthday Whatnot auction. It didn't go so great. I sold one piece for $5, one piece for $9. So I don't have screenshots of those, but I think I can show you pretty much everything else. So starting with what sold, there was this gray relaxed V-neck tank. I'm telling you, everything in this box was like basics. That sold for $8 on Poshmark. Not too bad considering the buyer actually paid the $8 plus the $7, whatever it is, for shipping on Posh. So, I mean, I guess considering it probably didn't retail for more than $25 or $30, that's not too bad. I had a bundle on Kidizen, which I love the occasional Kidizen sale because their fees are so low. But there were 2 white t-shirts. Both were a size medium. Both sold on Kidizen in the same bundle. I have it listed as $8.33 a piece, which means that was the cost of the whole bundle divided by 2 minus the cost of shipping because I offer free shipping on Kidizen. So $8 a piece on those. This waffle knit tank, again, more basics. This one sold on Mercari for $9. I had another white t-shirt. This one might have been men's. I'm not sure, but this one sold on eBay for $7 whole. I do love that people are still buying like basic white t-shirts online, but whatever, I'll take it. Then I had a relaxed fit t-shirt from Madewell. Super basics. I can't get over how like basic this stuff was for $6.94. This was a $10 Mercari sale. This cropped t-shirt, also Mercari, $12. This cropped ribbed tank top. This one was new without tag, but this one did sell on eBay for $9. Ooh, another Kidizen sale. This was a Madewell waffle knit tank top, $13 sale on Kidizen. It probably sold for a little more than that, but again, I offer free shipping on Kidizen, so the $13 that I made was after the amount paid for shipping. I had another Madewell ribbed tank top. This one actually just sold a couple days ago, $13 on Mercari. Another Kitizen sale. I'm telling you, if you sell like women's clothing like J. Crew, Madewell, there's a few brands that Kitizen is normally like kids stuff, but there's a few brands. Lily Pulitzer will sell on there. Definitely get yourself on Kitizen. There's a link below if you want to check that out. You get a $5 shopping credit if you use my link. So it's real easy to cross post too if you use like List Perfectly. It takes me like 5 seconds to put a listing on Kitizen. So the brands that they accept, I put on there, even if they're women's brands, J. Crew and Madewell being some of them. But anyway, I just want to throw that out there because a sale is a sale no matter what platform it's on, right? So anyway, this sweater tank top sold on Kitizen for $13.25 after shipping. I had the Zion tank top, which this one got a lot of interest real fast. It was a pretty cool shirt, but I ended up selling it for $18 on Posh via offer to likers, so I ate the discounted shipping. Unfortunately, that one did get a lot of interest, but it didn't retail for very high, so even though it was a popular item, there wasn't really a huge profit margin, but it did sell pretty quickly. It took only about 3 days, and I got a bunch of lowball offers and stuff on that one, but then I had 2 slim washed t-shirts. These were J. Crew Factory, and I believe these were men's. Both of them sold on eBay. I had a navy blue one. That one sold for $10. And then there was a gray one. That one sold for $13.99. Buyer paid shipping, of course. This black polo shirt just sold today. Like, I just had to update my whole spiel based on this one sale. That did sell today on Poshmark. $22 sold via offer. So this one was over 90 days a little bit, but whatever. It still made it in technically before I made the video, so I don't care. It's in here. This one had a lot of interest over the past 3 months, but nobody had purchased it. I did have it priced kind of high because it was a J. Crew, not J. Crew Factory, which is a J. Crew piece. It seemed very trendy, and it retailed for pretty high. So I did kind of hold out on the price for that one. By hold out, like, that's kind of a stretch to say because I only sold it for $22. But I had just delisted and relisted it, and somebody finally did purchase it. And then I had this embroidered blouse, which this one sold on Poshmark for $22 via offer. The customer reached out to me when she got it and said there were stains on it that I did not disclose, which, given the condition, the rest of the stuff in this box, that kind of doesn't surprise me. But you know what? And I've said this before, she sent me a message, like a direct message, and I will not respond to people via direct message on Poshmark. I just won't. Poshmark takes 20% to deal with customer service, to deal with, cases and returns and all of that. And in my opinion, and you can let me know your opinion in the comments, but in my opinion, all it did was open the opportunity for customers to message sellers and deal with the customer service piece of things that Poshmark should be dealing with, that Poshmark takes the 20% so that I don't have to deal with. And so when somebody wants to complain about something, I just simply won't answer. Like, if Poshmark has the option to open a case, I don't tell them go open a case. I don't invite them to open a case. I don't start trying to apologize. I just ignore it. And if they really want or have a problem, then they will figure out how to contact Poshmark, because Poshmark, it's not eBay, it's not Mercari. They don't empower me to do like partial refunds or, like anything. So until they're willing to give me more power as a seller, I am not going to do their customer service for them. So you can, I'm sorry, that might sound terrible, but like, honestly, that's really how I feel about it. So, she messaged me. I didn't answer. The order ended up closing, so whatever. But I got the $22 sold by offer on that one. Then there was a Swiss Dot tank top. It was a very pretty lavender color. This one did have some staining on it too originally. I was able to clean it up. This one sold for $22 via offer on Posh as well. That was pretty good because I think that was one of the items I told Helpsy that it was stained, and I included that as part of the partial discount I got, and then I was able to clean it up anyway, so that was pretty good. Last item sold out of this box was this chambray tank top. It was blue, had like this lacy embroidery detail. This one sold for $15 plus shipping on eBay. So that's all the sales. It was a wild ride with this box. As far as what I still have left, I've got a navy blue tier dress. I've got a plain orange t-shirt, random plain orange t-shirt. Well, the dress is J. Crew, the t-shirt's J. Crew Factory. I've got this white sleeveless polo top, J. Crew Factory. These shorts, which are a very light gray color, they're size 0. They're new with tag, and these are J. Crew. Some orange linen blend shorts, J. Crew Factory. These are white shorts from J. Crew Factory, size 00. Jean shorts from Madewell, size 25. So lots of stuff in little tiny sizes. I've got this button front dress from Madewell. This is a size 10. So that's a little bit better. And then this tiered gauze dress, also from Madewell. This one's a size medium. So now that you've seen what's sold and what I still have, my final verdict here, I paid $201 for this box. I listed 29 items. That's after my $120 refund. I initially had paid another $120 for this. And my profit after 90 days is $9.83. So I broke even. I am not in debt over this box. I don't want to work to break even. That is never my goal. I will say though that given the seasonality of some of this stuff, I've got 3 substantially priced dresses that are still here. And they are very much summer pieces, and we're getting into summer. So I made my money back in 90 days. That's not great. I had to fight for a refund on this box because it was not great. And that's not great. So was this a good box? No, it was not a good box. However, it definitely did better than I expected it to. So if you watched that original video, man, I was mad. I was so mad. I wouldn't probably order it again personally. And I'm sure you know I order lots of things from Helpsy. There are some boxes from Helpsy that do very well. And actually this box wouldn't have been so bad if it wasn't so high priced and or if it didn't have so many damages. But this particular box, based on the results of this box, I probably would not buy another one. Now, I do think I have the potential to maybe double my money. Probably won't get quite double if I were to sell off the rest of the stuff, but only time is going to tell on that. You know, I have to actually like sell it off. And I am a little hopeful though, because we're getting into summer, and those dresses and the shorts and things like that will be much more sought after than they have been all winter. So I'm interested to know what you guys think. Did you think I was going to make my money back? Did you think I was going to make a profit? And if you purchased this box, let me know how yours went. I know there were a lot of people that bought this box when it initially dropped, so I'm curious to know how you did as well. Make sure you're subscribed. I've got plenty of 90-day updates coming up for you. I did a ton of online sourcing in November and December, and so all of that stuff is starting to turn over into the 90-day space. And I'm really, really excited to give you guys some good updates. So make sure you're subscribed. Drop me a like on the way out. That definitely helps out my channel quite a bit. And thank you again so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one.